Well, take a look at the index. Actually, we moved to the low point of the day. SBI Life, that one's dragging a little bit. And the Nifty Bank, the one that was gunning ahead yesterday, did very, very well. But today, after opening up well in the green, it's seen some profit taking on that front as well. So that moves to the low point of the day, coupled with Reliance Industries. What do you do from here? Sacchitanand joins us to tell us exactly that. Hi, Sachi. Morning. Well, if you wanted a dip, you've got a bit of an intraday dip. It seems the trend is still up till that 20 DMA holds out, which is at around 17,700. But at this juncture, what would you do? Would you look to get in, or would you look to get in deeper?
Good morning. Yes, the trend looks stronger, and in fact, if you look at the momentum, the momentum has been very exciting since yesterday's trading session. But if you look at today's data set from a weekly expiry point of view, it looks like a range-bound day. Probably we may see this particular range playing out well. If you look at the supports, I think 17,900 holds a lot of support. The put writers look really confident. We have already seen a decline towards the 5-day exponential moving average of Nifty, which is placed at 17,940. So probably some more slippages could be bought in. It's a buy on declines market. I think these dips could be healthy. But from an expiry point of view, we don't see the expiry shaping up above 18,050 from here on. But certainly the trend is stronger, and we have got the dip that we were looking out for. So anywhere close to 17,940, 920 would be a good zone wherein longs should be accumulated. Keep a positional stop loss at 17,890, and probably in a day or so we may see Nifty again getting back above 18,130. So this is the probable target that we are watching out for next couple of trading sessions. The trend looks healthy, and the momentum is somewhere sideways today. Probably it will pick up in a day or so. When it comes to Bank Nifty, 41,000 support looks very strong. The declines towards 41,200, I think that will be crucial. That will be a level wherein we would like to participate on the long side. Even there, 41,000 should be kept as a stop loss. We are expecting the expiry to shape up somewhere close to 41,600 to 800. So we may see the second half Bank Nifty probably accelerating Nifty.
There are a couple of stocks doing well this afternoon from the broader markets. We have Pidilite as well as Astral, both of them. Astral was a loser in yesterday's trading session, so recovering some of those losses. Currently moved to the high point of trading. Alongside that, we have Pidilite as well. Yesterday, we had the management of Pidilite join us and say that VAM prices, which are their key inputs, have fallen from the peak of over $2,600 to sub $2,000. So that should augur well for their margins, particularly in the second half. Pidilite, Astral also has an adhesives business. Sacchitanand, your thoughts on some of these individual stocks which are doing well? What's on your radar today?
From a trading perspective, I think the focus today is on the auto pack. Most of the auto stocks are doing well, and if you look at Nifty Auto Index itself, it is breaking out from a 10 days consolidation. So 13,380 is a crucial level. That particular level has been surpassed, and probably we may see auto getting into action for the next coming week. So I think apart from Maruti, which has already displayed a good strong breakout from an inverse head and shoulder, we have Escorts, which is again showing signs of a continuation pattern breakout. We are expecting Escorts to move higher towards 2040 during the day, and a positional target of around 2090, which is placed near its life high. So Escorts should be bought in. Stop loss should be placed at 1985. And from the broader market perspective, some of the paper stocks are doing well. If you look at the weekly structure of JKPaper, that chart has been really strong. So if you look at from the trading perspective, we are expecting the target of around 465 to be achieved in a couple of days trading session. But for positionally, we are expecting 480 to be achieved as per the pattern target. So JKPaper should be on your radar. The stop loss for the trade should be placed at 426.
All right, take that point, Sachin.